I was, playing the drum when I was younger, just messing around, and then my oldest brother taught me how to play the drum. And anyone can learn. Anyone can learn. One of the second course that I taught, there was a lady that was in her late 70s who wanted to come and was learning, and there was a young boy who was 10 years old, maybe 9 actually at that time. Anyone can learn. We teach in Mridanga every Tuesday from the 12th of September to the 8th of November. We're teaching Mridanga and Kartals. Please come and take some lessons and learn how to play these Vedic instruments. I look forward to serving you to the best of my knowledge, and I hope to see you at the lessons. Hare Krishna.